Hi there guys and girls, good evening to each every one of you. I am so hungry. Come over here, join me for my not so late dinner. I have here a McDonald's chicken fillet curry sauce with curry sauce. See that? Come on, be the first one to taste, be the first one to buy. And the classic fried chicken, new improved fried chicken. You know what guys and girls, this will be my second time eating this chicken curry. It tastes so good. And I also have here a, what's this? Iced coffee, also a new flavor. It's cereal flavor something. This could be their second time introducing it again. And as you can see guys and girls, as you have noticed, their plates and bowl are different compared before. But if you are going to dine in here in McDonald's, in any McDonald's nearest you, you don't need to bring this home because this is personalized. See that? It's no longer the red one with paper something. Come over here. Shout out to each every one of you. Thank you, Lord, for all the wonderful blessings that you give, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my mother-in-law called Fea Bordo, to my sister Christine, and to my childhood friend Helen Carreto, San Roque, Legazpi City. Come on, be the first one to taste, be the first one to buy. Open your mouth. Love it, love it. And this is also the second time that I have to drink this again. It tastes so good guys and girls. Try it here in McDonald's. You know, the last time they put something milk, liquid milk in here, and then I don't know why is it that by this time they don't put in it. Anyway, as I can smell, it's still the same on the last time. Be the first one to sip. Come on. This is for you. Yumminess. You know what I suggest? Sorry. Once you dine in here in McDonald's, when you buy this one, make sure that you have extra fresh milk. Either it's full cream or non-fat, for you to even more tasty and more delicious than ever. Okay, let's start. I already gave you the first one, okay? Actually, guys and girls, one of my favorite dish is chicken curry.
Ay, 250,000.
I forgot.
Ayan mo pinagamit naman.
Special mention to Ate Tabi-Tabita. Thank you for the support. This is for you. Sip it, Ate Tabi-Tabita. Water.
Wala pa, pinapaayos pa lang yung team.
Hope you're all doing okay, okay? And then, when you order for chicken, make sure that it's double. For you to save money and for you not to, how do you call this thing? For you to get satisfied on your meal. Shout out to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Thank you so much to every one of you. And to all my Facebook viewers as well, hi. I also ordered for new sundae that they have. It's also a cereal one. I told them that serve it later once I finish this one. Otherwise it will melt. Okay, shout out to each every one of you. Bye bye bye. Have a great day and reach for your dreams, okay? Don't lose hope.
Yeah,